Is my Jannah ready for me? I don't want to give this palm tree, I have an attachment with it. So the Prophet said, you know what, it's fine, let it be. As they're having this conversation in the masjid, there's Sahabi Abu Dahda, he hears the conversation. He said, Ya Rasulullah, alana Jannah bin Nakhla? He said, Ya Rasulullah, would we also have a place in Jannah in exchange for this palm tree? So he says, yes, na'am. So Abu Dahda goes to see that person who owns the tree. His name is Abu Lubaba. And he says, you know what, why don't you sell the tree to me? He says, no, I won't. He says, what if I give you my entire garden? He owns a garden. Abu Dahda owns a garden of 400 to 600 trees and palm trees. It's a huge garden. It's one of the most popular gardens in Medina. And that garden is known to be plentiful of fruits. When it's time to give, it's full of dates, it's full of fruits, and it's a generous garden that gives. So he says, what if I give you my garden in exchange for this palm tree? So Abu Lubaba says, why would you do that? Like, why would you do that? That's a crazy deal. It's a stupid deal. So he says, are you ready or not? He says, yeah, I'm ready. I'm ready. So he goes to the Prophet ﷺ and said, Rasulullah, I got the palm tree. He gave his whole garden in exchange for the palm tree. And he gives the glad tidings to the Prophet ﷺ, Rasulullah, I have the palm tree, do whatever you want, but I want you to hold to my end of the deal. Meaning, is my Jannah ready for me?
Watch the full video on our channel, Al Huda Mosque.